Ulcerative colitis is an inflammation of the lining tissue of the colon, which is felt to be an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune means that your body is reacting to something that starts the inflammation. Some of the earliest symptoms of ulcerative colitis are abdominal pain, diarrhea, rectal bleeding, pressure in the rectum, but can be associated with many other symptoms as well. Typically, we would diagnose ulcerative colitis by doing a colonoscopy. Well, there are standard therapies and then there are functional therapies. Standard therapies include medications. Usually we would start with an anti-inflammatory medicine. These are usually benign medications and are effective for most people. But after that, we get into many medications that have a lot of side effects. If you're very sick, we use steroids. We have medications that affect the immune system and medications that are biological medications that are systemic and can affect the immune system on many levels. Most people with ulcerative colitis have nutritional deficiencies, so a functional approach is also necessary to take care of people and cure their inflammation. The first thing we look at is their nutritional status and the levels of nutrients in their body. Every person with ulcerative colitis and similarly with Crohn's disease will have deficiencies that need to be corrected. We then look at the diet very closely, and there are certain foods that we need to eliminate. For example, with ulcerative colitis, my patients will respond to eliminating sugars, which are very inflammatory. After that, there are certain supplements and occasionally herbals that we might use to help with the inflammation. The functional approach to ulcerative colitis does not mean that you can just stop other medications. Many people who take a functional approach can avoid medications, at least for long periods of time. There are patients who need to remain on lower dose of immune medications. And most people who take a functional approach and fix their nutrition and take supplements are much happier living with their disease and overall feel healthier.